This anytime is a 4-minute walk from my B&B. You best believe I'm gonna have a sesh. See if it works. Oh, it does work. Oh, oh,
See? I don't know.
oh, super pumped for this breakfast just outside of the B&B.
I'm cool with you.
Alright guys, who's down to take the first bite of this?
First bite of this.
My hand's burning, bro.
What is?
So we decided to get it from this place. They hella busy. Last time we got it from here, wasn't that great. So this place is much better, guys.
Rice puffs in here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, you can try it.
This guy just...
Is it hot? Is it hot?
Oh,
Last time I like destroyed my mouth doing this.
Hurt my tongue, bro.
Why'd you f***ing eat it, bro?
I swallowed it.
Really cool. Have a look at this view, quick time. Take the first bite of it. Ooh. Have you got $1,500 worth of looking yet or what?
Do you want to do a love look?
I was at 1200 right now.
Woo! That's sexy.
You have to build up 200 more yen to get our money's worth.
3, 2, 1, teaching.
You look like a totem.
Alright guys, hella cold.
Out of the gate, hella cold. It feels like it's... You know that when you walk into a freezer?
Yes, this is
like
exactly what
-2.
it feels like right now. It feels like the Macca's freezer.
There you go. You got gypped, bro.
It's Ren. It's Ren.
I saw it. I saw her.
Who's it? Oh, you got her? God.
Bro, I think I'm opening the wrong side.
Oh, you finally got Ren, bro. Still in Umeda. We decided to have some shack because it's nearby, and we thought there was one in Namba, but there's not. So here we are. Everyone's super pumped for this because we haven't eaten much. We've only eaten takoyaki, and what else did we eat? It's takoyaki and I think one of the chickens. Ooh, baby. Baby. Ooh, baby. Baby. Ooh, baby. Oh, exclusive merch.
It actually like makes the oil digest easier, so it's pretty good.
Very, very flat.
What are you doing? She's making 2 drinks.
Making it cold.
It is quite good.
Oh, hey, baby. Oh, baby!
Him, he gets iron.
Twice records loves twice.
Okay. See who Aeon gets. Ooh, wipe it.
Here you go.
Oh, deal.
Yes!
Oh, why is Sana like?
Oh, sorry, hang on.
Is there no card?
Oh, no. I'm alive.
Creeped out. What did you get?
Jaeyoung,
Aeon.
Chewie, Chewie,
Wait.
What?
Jonghyun,
Momo.
Momo, and Sana.
Oh, is that
Oh,
the,
that's
is
a
that the
special
signature one?
No.
None of them have.
That's the one I thought it was inside.
大家族やんちゃん